What's up, guys? Today taking a look at Brown Sugar by the Rolling Stones. We're in open G tuning, so if you don't know what that is, check it out in the link in the description. Got some reverb on, bridge pickup, and mids are pumped. 12th fret is where we're starting out. Bar 1 to 5 on that 12th fret. On 13th fret, you're fretting 2nd string. On 14th fret, you're fretting 4th string. You're going to strum 5 to 1 once, and you're going to cut that off. You're going to take your ring and middle finger off, and you're going to strum 5 to 1 once, and then we're going to come up here to the 5th fret. We're going to bar 1 to 5 there. We're going to strum 5 to 1 once, kill it, and then you're going to strum it again. You're going to keep that bar there, and on the 6th fret you're fretting 2nd string, 7th fret you're fretting 4th string, and you're going to strum from 5 to 1 twice. Take those fingers off, and then you're going to strum 5 to 1. So that is the first time it's played. The second time it's different, and then the third and fourth time is different, but the third and fourth time is played the same. So the second time around, we're still starting out exactly the way we did. And then we come up and we do the same, and we're gonna fret the same string, same frets, but this time we're strumming 5 to 1 3 times. And then we're gonna take that index or the ring and middle finger off and strum twice. So that's the second time around. Third time around, same way. It starts out, and then we do the, and then it's same frets, same strings, and then you do that 3 strums. You're going to take that off, and then you're just strumming 5 to 1 once. So the third and fourth time is played that way, just once right there.